Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Goldie box. I have, because of the FabFitFun spoilers, been holding on to this baby and it's time to get into it. So let's check it out. Goldie Box. Goldie Box was started by our friend Jessica over at Everything Proof Beauty. She's a creator, she has her own channel, and she decided she wanted to dip her toe into subscription boxes. And what she wanted to do was put all of the things that she liked about boxes into it and take the things that she didn't care for out. One of which is customization in categories. So the best, I think, there are two best things about this box. One is you can choose what size box you want. I get the gold box. So I choose 7 items, plus there are 3 bonus items. I'll explain that in a second. You can also be a silver bear where you choose 5 items, or a bronze bear where you choose 3 items, or you can do the surprise bear. There are different price levels. I'll talk about all of that down in the description. But whether you are a bronze bear or a gold bear, most of the customization choices are open to you. It's not like category 1, category 2. It's just these are the available items. The only exceptions are if you are a gold bear, there is a gold bear exclusive item that you have to be a gold bear to be able to select that item. You don't have to choose it, but you can. There's also a silver bear exclusive item, which you have to be at least a silver bear to choose. But if you're a gold bear, you can also choose the silver bear item. Those are the only 2 items within customization that everyone doesn't have access to. Every other item, it's just one category. You just go through, I went through and I selected the 7 items that I wanted. Not out of categories, just all 7 items that I wanted. So let's get in here and let me show you the choices that I made, and then I can show you the bonus items. If you choose to be a bronze bear, you will get the bronze bear bonus item. If you choose to be a silver bear, you will get the silver bear bonus item, but you will also receive the bronze bear bonus item. And if you are a gold bear, you will get a gold bear bonus item, but you will also receive the bronze and the silver. So if you are a gold bear, you actually end up with a box with 10 products, the 7 items that you chose, and the 3 bonus items. And this is the fall box. We customize on the first day of the season. So we customize these on the very first day of fall. Like I said, I have had it for quite some time, so it came to me really quickly. This is the paperwork that tells us about everything that's in the box. You can choose not to get this and to have it sent to you electronically, which is such a great thing for the environment. I have her send me this because it makes it so much easier when I'm doing the unboxing, but I love that the option to just get it in your email is there. Pretty little fall paperwork. And then this is our product. First item that I chose that is right on top is the Cinnamon Sticks Happy Wax. We got Happy Wax in our box maybe last season, and it was a bonus, and it's, oh my goodness, it smelled so good that when she offered these, it's the Happy Wax. I chose it in cinnamon because even though we're in fall, because there was like a pumpkin spice choice, I love cinnamon, and I use these things like crazy at Christmas time because I love my house to smell like balsam and cinnamon at Christmas time. This had a $15 value. The gold box, by the way, is $59.99. This had a $15 value, and it is a biodegradable, all-natural, USA-sourced soy wax melts. And when you open them up, they're little teddy bears. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells like Red Hots in here. This, oh my mouth is watering because it smells just like, I love cinnamon. I love eating cinnamon. I love smelling cinnamon. Cinnamon is one of my favorites. Oh my gosh. I could just, for the next 20 minutes, guys, I could be like, yeah, that is fantastic. Let me show you one of these adorable, adorable little bears. And you just take them and put them in a wax melt warmer. Wax. It's one of the warmers that will melt these bears. Oh my gosh, just one single bear. Oh, he smells, you know how cute he is. And he smells so good. Oh yeah, I could just sit here with this open all day. It says this has 100 hours of burn time using any standard wax warmer. Wax warmer. I couldn't come up with those words. Wax warmer. Perfect. It is phthalate free and a natural soy wax. So that was my first choice. Okay, my next choice right on top is the Sugar Fine Organic Sugar Body Scrub with shea butter. And I chose this one in a pumpkin pie because pumpkin pie. That is what the top looks like. And that is it from the side. Looks like a shiny, awesome pumpkin pie. This is from the brand Country Bathhouse. It has a $14 value and it's an all organic and all natural sugar scrub with a truly fall scent. We're gonna open this because there's no way we're gonna have pumpkin pie right here and not be smelling on this. I will put 2 links below for you. I will put the link to Jessica's channel in case you want to go over and check out her content, and I will put the link to Goldie Box below, and with Kathrin 10 you will get 10% off whatever size box you choose to start with. Oh, it smells. This doesn't smell like pumpkin pie. It smells like a pumpkin spice latte. It's got a creamier, sweeter scent to it than a pumpkin pie kind of has. Oh my gosh. This smells, between the cinnamon and this, yeah, I just don't even want to move on, guys. I just want to sit here. Can you see how orange and awesome that is? I want to be, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. It says that it is pumpkin pie, which they say is spiced pumpkin, vanilla, and caramel. And yes, the vanilla and caramel definitely come through this because it is really sweet, but sweet in a good way. Not like, oh, that's so sweet, but sweet like, oh, that's so good. And it is made in the USA, 4 ounces. Next out, looks fragile. Oh, this is that gold bowl. I selected a gold bowl. After we did our selection, they had a sourcing issue. Not Jessica, but the actual people. Well, I guess technically Goldie Box did. But the actual people who shipped them, they weren't going to arrive in time to go out with the boxes. So instead of holding up boxes, they allowed her to order a different bowl. And I have to tell you, I think I like this one better. Can you see how it's really got that drip look to it on the inside? It is so pretty, and it's kind of, it's gold on the inside, but if you set it like that, it looks kind of silver on the outside. That is very pretty. I like that a lot. I wonder if it's food safe. She probably told us. Classic Touch, $18 food safe or decorative glass dish with gold accents and a fun dipped design. So it is indeed food safe. This is so cute. It would look so cute with like a pumpkin dip in it for the holidays. Oh, I just did another unboxing. Can you tell? That, I like that a lot. Next out of the box, I have something nicely packaged from Claudia G. And the back says Annie earrings. Oh, I think I remember these because I think I remember when I chose them, I was like, this is so not you. Look at you stepping out and doing something different. And I did it on purpose. These are so pretty. I got the Claudia G. You're Making a Difference. That is what they look like. So they're a tortoiseshell look. They have a $19 to $20 value depending on which one you chose. I will put the other earring up here so that you can see it. It's the Classy Tortoise Lightweight Hoop made of resin, or the Fun and Funky Mismatch In and Out Heart Set. Oh, that one was cute too. But I decided this one was more fall-like and more me because, you know, although I have fallen in love with these earrings and you guys are probably like, okay, you've worn those enough. I love the look of these earrings, but hoops are me. Hoops are where it's at. Okay, next out, and I try and do the family choice most seasons because I have 4 grandbabies and I love having extra toys around the house. And these are by Wood Tricks, and they are, this one is a bat, so that's super cute. I got it thinking Halloween, and I had this box way before Halloween. The fact that it's not open is way on me. And the other one is Frog, and that is what that looks like. And it's just a wooden puzzle that the kids can put together. And there are like connector pieces and things to hold them together down there. They're just, it's just cute. This is $20 for the set of 2 mechanical wooden puzzles for a kid-friendly activity. And that's why I get it, just to have a kid-friendly activity around the house. Next out, we have a really big item. This is a scarf. I'm gonna take it out so you don't have to listen to this. So this is, it's just an infinity scarf. It's just a loop. So soft, so cute, so universally taupe. I like that a lot. It is from the Lido collection. It is $17.55. What a bargain. An infinity scarf to keep you warm and cozy in fall favorite colors. Mocha, which is what I chose, and you could have chosen mustard. And something else that I have not mentioned is all of the items in this box are cruelty-free. Okay, and the last item that I picked out of this box is the Adult Active Tube. Durable, sustainable, and it's 100% recycled plastic bottle, I think. I'm telling that story, and I believe that to be true. I chose it in black. I don't think you had to have it in black. It says the Active Tube is a $16.17 value. These Eco Tubers are the newest of the Active Tube products and are made of recycled plastic bottles. I thought that I remembered that about it, and it's a headband basically. But you can also use it for other things. You can use it like as a gaiter, just depending on how you wear it on your head. This is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and take it out of here. So it's basically just a long black tube, and the bottom of it says Active Tube. And like I said, it's made out of recycled plastic, but it's so soft. The inside is the lighter color, but people use it as gaiters, or the reason I got it is they showed it a lot. This is not how they showed it, as a headband. I thought when I'm working out on the treadmill, just to gather it up and to use it as a headband, because I can open it, it might actually work a little better for me, because I'm one of those people that I don't really have a good shelf on the back of my head, and whenever I wear a headband, it wants to pop right off, you know, the kinds that wrap around fully. So I thought this would be another great thing to try, and it's made out of recycled plastic bottles, and I love that. Those are the 7 items that I chose. They have a $120.72 value. So I almost exactly doubled the cost of the box with just the items I spent. Now I have 3 more bonus items, plus I didn't come anywhere near picking the most expensive items. Let me get, if you pick the most 7 expensive items, what the value of your box would be. And if you pick the most expensive items, the value in your box pre-bonuses would be $160. But let's get into the bonus items. So right off the top we have, if you watch the channel, you know, a personal favorite of mine. This is a coloring journal. It is 160 pages, a colorable cover, and it is 6 inches by 8 inches. I have said from the start of this channel, I used to do like the confetti collection, which I've heard is actually going out of business, by the way. I did their boxes. I make notes. I do most of my notes in writing. I know that so many people do it on their computer, on their phones, in the notes apps. I like to be able to pick something up and look at it and have a grocery list, or look at it and have whatever I think is important that I need to know. I like it written down. So when we open this up, it's pages that you can write on, but then you can also color the outside edges. How cool. Oh, and then there are some pages that you can just color. How fun is that? I do have coloring pencils, because I mean, you got to know, as a person who loves books and writing, I am actually one of those people who likes to color. Oh, that one was cool looking. Likes to color things. That is so cool. So you can keep your notes plus have a little doodle page. That is really cool. And this is the Bronze Bear box. So basically this will be in every box except for the surprise box. This is in it, and it has an $8 value. I'm here to tell you, that is a good buy for $8. Hardcover, you couldn't go to Barnes & Noble and buy this for $8. I would take that bet. Next out, we have the To Market a Mulling Spice, a special season hot mulled wine and cider. It yields 15 quarts if you use all of that. That is what it looks like. It has a $6.95 value, and it says cinnamon, allspice, orange, and cloves for the perfect mulled wine or cider. Each bag produces 15 quarts, so you could, I'm sure, use less. Yeah, 2 quarts of cider and 1 tablespoon of this. And you can do that 7 times, so that's awesome. Slowly bring to boiling, simmer, cover for 20 minutes. Refrigerate leftovers and reheat microwave 1 cup at a time. I can't smell it. It's so well wrapped. I can't smell it, and I don't want to open it because I want it to stay fresh for Christmas. I'm sure that it smells fantastic. Good for them for keeping it so sealed that it's going to be in there and smelling good. And last but not least, we have our Gold Bear bonus. It is the Brown Sugar Saver by JBK. Softens rock hard brown sugar, keeps brown sugar soft. Simply soak the disc in water for 15 minutes, pat it dry, and place in brown sugar. And I actually have one of these in my brown sugar, but I will use this one too, because I just read, oh look, it has a pretty leaf on it, like a maple leaf. I just read the other day, somebody said when you make cookies, if you like your cookies kind of chewy, which I do, if you make cookies, put this in the Tupperware, do the exact same thing like you're doing brown sugar, and put this in the Tupperware with your cookie, and it'll keep your cookies moist. So that's a pretty good idea too. This says it is a $6.95 value, a ceramic tool to keep brown sugar soft and usable, easy to use and less food waste, works for dried fruit and marshmallows too. So marshmallows too. made in the USA. Okay, so we have a $22 value in our bonus item. So the total of my box is $142.72 for $60. And I will use every item because I made all the choices without having to go through categories. Like, you know, with FabFitFun, you want everything in category 1. By the time you get to category 5, you're like, I mean, I'll take a pass. This, you don't have to do that because you have access to everything. So it is another great front month for me. I am so proud of Jessica that she took this on. She's doing such a fantastic job. Like I said, this is a box full of things that I will use, and I am so happy about that. If you have any interest in this box, I will put the link below along with my code Kathrin10 will get you 10% off whichever size box you choose to do. I will put all of the details about the bronze, the silver. I will put everything down below with pricing, with what you receive. If you have any questions, just let me know. If I don't know the answers, I know where to get them. Thank you so much for coming by and spending some time with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you soon.